guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to do a get ready with me. So I just finished working out and I've now gotten ready for the day. So if you want to see this look and my skincare routine, keep watching. So I'm going to start off by washing my face, and I've been using the La Roche-Posay Effaclar gel here. Is clean. I'm going to go in with my toner, also by La Roche-Posay. Just put a little bit on a cotton pad, and then I just rub it all over my face. I found that this has really helped minimize the look of my pores, and I get really bad pores, really big pores right where I'm going over right now. Okay, so after that I go in with the Body Shop Tea Tree Anti-Imperfection Daily Solution. So I put one pump on my forehead, drop on my cheeks, and then I rub that in. So also I usually go in with like a chapstick on my lips first. I just forgot to do that. This is the Blistex Deep Moisture Renewal. And another product by La Roche-Posay, I go in with the Global Action Acne Treatment. It's a lotion for your face. So I usually just put a little bit on my forehead, cheeks, and chin. For my under eyes, to keep them looking bright and healthy throughout the day, I've been using the Body Shop Vitamin E Eye Cream. It lasts for 48 hours. So I just put a little bit on my ring finger, and I rub my fingers together and place it right underneath my eyes. All YouTubers I've watched have always said use your ring finger, since it's the most gentle finger and your eyes are very sensitive underneath and delicate, so and that is my morning skincare routine so far. Okay, so for those days that I don't really want to wear makeup, I usually just do my eyebrows, put a little bit of concealer on, maybe a little bit of bronzer and mascara, just so I look awake, but I don't really want to have too much makeup on because I just want my skin to be able to breathe. So what I'm first going to do is my eyebrows, and I just use the Essence Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel Mascara. So it's kind of like a knockoff of the higher brands. This is from the drugstore for like $4. So I just brush that through my eyebrows. So I like this for those no makeup days. It also just looks very natural. You can barely tell my eyebrows are filled in at all. And that's the eyebrows complete. So it's super fast and easy. And then I go in with my Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. This is just to minimize the look of the pores, because like I said earlier, I do get really big pores around my nose here. The toner definitely helps to tone that down, but I still like to go in with a primer. And then I like to go in with the Benefit Boing Airbrush Conceal. I just use my finger for this, and I'm just going to go any blemishes I have, put it over top and underneath my eyes. For the most part, my skin has been pretty clear. I do have quite a bit of scarring on this cheek that hasn't totally gone away. yet, but I'm still working on that. So I do put concealer on my scars just to hide the redness a little bit. The eyes is the most important part because this is really going to make it look like I'm more awake than I really am. It's going to brighten the under eyes. I really like this concealer too because it's super creamy, so using your finger is literally just fine. I kind of have like a mess of bumpy pimples right here. They're not even really pimples, they're just like bumps. So I'm just gonna put a little concealer over those. Once again, I don't want to put too much makeup on because I want my skin to be able to breathe. And for those small pimples, I want them to start to go away. So that's pretty much it. I do sometimes go in with a bronzer just to make my face look a little bit more tan and bring some more color into my face a little bit. So I'm gonna go with that. Sorry about the lighting. So I'm going in with my Hoola bronzer by Benefit. And I'm just gonna kind of go around the perimeter of my face. I do this in pretty much all my videos, all my makeup routines. I usually go in with the Hoola bronzer. I've also had this for probably over a year, and I just started to see the bottom of the palette, so that's incredible. A little bit over my nose to make it look like a little bit of a tan. And then a little bit over my eyelids, even just with this big puffy brush. And that's that. Also in this palette, I have the What's Up highlighter, so I'm just gonna go in a little bit of that on my nose. And then the inner corners of my eye. Once again, to give me that like awake look. And then a little bit under my eyebrows, which need to be plucked. And then just to complete the look, I'm going to put on some mascara, so I'm just going to curl my eyelashes first. And then go in with the Benefit They're Real Mascara. And I just do a really light coat of this over my eyelashes. And that's the complete makeup look. Okay, so I'm not really doing too much today, so I think I'm just gonna go in with a pair of jeans and maybe just like a basic t-shirt or something like that. I'll show you once I'm ready. Okay, so don't mind the mess behind me, I'm just cleaning my room. But I just decided to throw on these jeans here. Just have a rip in the knee, and then they're a little bit distressed at the bottom. And then this tank top with this orange bralette underneath. And then I think I'm just gonna throw on my peach pair of Vans that I just got. And that is the completed outfit of the day. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please leave a comment down below. I would love if you subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching. Bye.